Hey there, Storm Door Guy here, and if you're watching this video, you have a question on whether or not your storm door closer is defective or starting to reach the end of its life cycle. Let's get into how you determine whether or not it's time to replace your door closer. So this is a standard door closer here. You tap this button to prop the door open if you want it to stay open, but sometimes these door closers, when they go bad, it'll close super fast. And the adjustment screw for the closer is right here. But if you tighten this guy all the way down, open your storm door, and it still just closes really fast, it means it's lost pressure in the piston and is no longer able to maintain that. So it's probably time to replace the closer. The next thing you can check out is right along here. Do you see oil or grease there? A little bit after you install is normal. That's a little bit of overflow. But if it's leaking a lot, and especially around this area here too, then you probably have a bad seal and it might be time to replace these guys. So in order to replace it, it's super simple. You don't have to hire a handyman if you don't want to spend $50 or $100. All you do is these little cotter pins here. If you have a little O-ring right there, you just pull that off like so. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. It's not needed. It's not mission critical. And then you just pop out this pin here. That'll disconnect these two pieces. And if yours is attached to the door, it's exactly the same thing. You want to remove this other cotter pin here too. This piece will be connected to your actual storm door. So I'm just going to pull off that little O-ring. And if you don't have an O-ring, don't worry about it. Not necessarily needed. Push up on this pin and pull it out. And once you do, you'll be able to just remove this piece from your storm door, get a new one, and then install is just the reverse. Stick it in, put the short fat cotter pin in this side, and put the long skinny one in this side. Now, depending on if you're replacing it with the same brand or the same type, you might have to loosen the screws on this jam or this door bracket here and readjust it just to get the proper length. Most of the time you don't have to, but if you do, that's just something that you have to do. So that is how you tell if your door closer is going bad or not and how to replace it. And if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns about storm doors, I invite you to check out my YouTube channel, the little @ Storm Door Guy, or visit my website, stormdoorguy.com. If you have any comments or questions, or have a good idea for a video for me to do in the future, by all means, leave your comment in the comment section below. I respond to them as often and as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching.